Welcome to week 8 of a weekly series, where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin using the Ember app on 3 NFL picks and then make a parlay with those 3 picks as well. I'm picking the teams that I think are most likely to win regardless of odds. I'll show my stats from week to week, and the best thing about this is that there's no investment. So if you're interested in free sports predictions, please use the Ember app that you see linked in the description. And so far on the year, I'm 21-11. I've won $177.28, and I've lost $62.15. My first pick is the Los Angeles Chargers over the Tennessee Titans. I feel like their new rookie, Oronde Gadsden, is really coming along for them, and they're just going to have too much firepower for the Titans to keep up. The Titans have been pretty much a punching bag all year. They've won one game by 1 point, and I don't see this going much differently. Next is the Los Angeles Rams over the New Orleans Saints. The Saints have been pretty bad all year. They don't really score too many points. And I feel like the Rams are an up-and-coming team. They were really good last year, and I feel like their defense is really coming along, especially their pass rush. And I don't see this one being close. And my last pick is the Detroit Lions over the Minnesota Vikings. I've been picking the Lions all year, and they've been coming through for me. So I feel like they can beat the Vikings. The Vikings are kind of an average team, and the Lions are one of the best. That means I have a parlay of the Lions, Chargers, and Rams, betting 5,000 sats to win 8,762. And just for quick legal purposes, this isn't financial advice, and while you can make some free Bitcoin without using your real money, I do have to point this out. But I'll be back next week with my picks, and let's hope we win our parlay this week.